The human eyes stand as the paramount sensory organs within our bodies, constituting a significant portion of our brain's activity. Tasked with a vital role of capturing and transmitting visual stimuli from our surroundings. They play an irreplaceable part in our daily lives. However, despite their indispensable function, the fragility of this sensory apparatus renders it susceptible to deterioration, particularly with advancing age. As time progresses, various vision impairments begin to manifest, encompassing a spectrum of issues ranging from nearsightedness and farsightedness to the onset of blurred vision, halos, macular degeneration, and cataracts. These afflictions not only impede visual acuity but can significantly diminish one's quality of life. Fortunately, modern medicine offers remedies in the form of surgical interventions or corrective aids such as eyeglasses and contact lenses, enabling individuals to regain clear vision and alleviate the impact of these ocular challenges. However, amidst the array of medical interventions, there exists a natural alternative that holds promise in addressing these common vision ailments. Surprisingly, this solution lies within a single ingredient, offering a holistic approach to vision care that bypasses the need for invasive procedures or reliance on corrective lenses. Incorporating this natural remedy into one's daily routine can potentially mitigate the progression of vision problems and foster overall ocular health. By harnessing the power of nature, individuals may unlock a pathway to clearer vision and enhanced well-being, free from the constraints of conventional treatments. Moreover, embracing natural remedies not only promotes ocular health but also underscores the interconnectedness between human beings and the environment. This shift towards natural solutions embodies a sustainable approach to healthcare, aligning with broader efforts to prioritize holistic wellness and environmental stewardship. In conclusion, while modern medicine offers effective treatments for vision impairments, exploring natural alternatives can unveil additional avenues for maintaining ocular health and well-being. By recognizing the potential of natural remedies, individuals can take proactive steps towards preserving their vision and embracing a lifestyle rooted in harmony with nature. How to fight visual problems naturally: a sedentary lifestyle, unhealthy diet, alcohol abuse, smoking, nutritional deficiencies, and other factors all play a part in the degradation of your eyesight. Changing your habits and lifestyle can help treat and prevent the problems, but there are some natural remedies that can also help. Take aloe vera for example. This amazing plant has numerous health benefits and is often a part of different homemade remedies. The gel of the plant can be taken orally or applied topically to treat various skin disorders and other health problems. The gel has also shown that it can treat vision problems. Just extract it from fresh aloe leaves, then mix it in a blender along the leaves and take the drink 3 times a day before meals to improve your eyesight and treat all vision problems. Repeat the process every day and the gel will provide your eyes with nutrients and maintain your ocular health.